Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, a channel for awesome facts and information. In today's video, we will be talking about the top 10 backend programming languages for web developers in 2022. Watch this video till the end for a better understanding and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to go into web development, you need know that it is divided into two parts, front-end development and back-end development. The major distinction between the two is that front-end development is focused on what visitors see first on their screen or browser, whereas back-end development is concerned with what happens behind the scenes of the website. 10 back-end programming languages for web developers in 2022. While these two forms of programming are very different from one another, they both use the same tools and technologies. When it comes to front-end development, for example, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript come to mind first. But there are hundreds more languages to select from when it comes to back-end development. For web development, here's a list of back-end programming languages to consider. Number 1. JavaScript. When we think about web development, one of the first things that comes to mind is JavaScript. With regards to demand, JavaScript outperforms a number of other programming languages when it comes to web development. Originally designed only for web browsers, JavaScript is increasingly utilized for server-side website deployments as well as non-web browser applications. JavaScript is preferred for both front-end and back-end development because of its extensive interfaces, lightweight scripting, dynamic typing, virtual availability of large resources, and interoperability. It also has a large community behind it, making it one of the most popular programming languages in the industry. Number 2. Python. Python is a popular programming language among developers because of its compatibility with advanced technologies such as machine learning, deep learning, IoT, data science, and so on, and it is also extensively used for web development. Python is used by prominent software companies such as Google and others because of its readability, adaptability, utility, and interoperability. It aids in making the overall coding process simple, making developers' job more efficient and easier, thanks to its large collection of standard libraries and straightforward syntax. Number 3. PHP. One of the premier languages for web development is PHP, or PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a 1994 open-source scripting language that is dynamic and general-purpose. It can be incorporated in HTML and is used in the building of server-side applications. PHP does not require a compiler and is compatible with practically all major operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Because of its easy-to-learn nature, cross-platform compatibility, OOPS characteristics, and ability to communicate with database systems such as Oracle and MySQL, it is particularly popular among web developers. It is a preferred language for web developers, as it is used to create more than 80% of all websites on the Internet. PHP is used to create social networking programs such as Facebook and Yahoo. Number 4. Java. Java is a powerful object-oriented programming language that can be used to create large-scale online applications, desktop apps, scientific applications, big data, and much more. It's a multi-purpose, platform-independent programming language that's been around for decades. Unlike other programming languages like Scala or Python, Java has never had any big updates or changes, which is why it is so stable and is still the preferred language for most businesses. Java is also utilized on the back end of a number of well-known websites, such as Google, Amazon, Twitter, and YouTube. Number 5. Ruby. Ruby is another premier back-end web development language that novices should learn. The language is extremely flexible when combined with the Ruby on Rails framework, and it is widely used for back-end web development. It facilitates a number of coding tools to speed up the web development process and supports procedural, functional, and object-oriented programming. Ruby's time efficiency and human-friendly syntax are two of its primary advantages. Ruby is also compatible with all major operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. Number 6. C#. C#, sometimes known as C#, is a Microsoft-developed object-oriented programming language built on the foundations of C, a widely used programming language. It's one of the most popular programming languages, and it's extremely similar to Java. It was created as part of the .NET framework to construct Windows programs, but it is also utilized for back-end web development, game development using Unity, mobile application development, and much more. It is quite efficient to utilize because it can run codes faster and is compatible with Android, iOS, and Linux. It is widely regarded as one of the most effective programming languages for web development. Number 7. Kotlin. Kotlin is a well-known programming language that was designed with Android in mind. However, because it is a full-stack solution, it is also utilized for web, desktop, and server-side application development. Kotlin was created with the intention of outperforming Java. It operates on the JVM and hence aids in the development of web applications using Java frameworks such as Sprint and Hadoop. Because it is very efficient for building complex programs, many Google applications are written in Kotlin. Number 8. Golang. Google created Golang, often known as Go, in 2007 based on the C language's grammar. Although Go is a highly specialized language, it is quite simple for beginning programmers. It comes with a robust standard library, fast performance, multi-threading support, and strong memory safety features such as garbage collection. Go is an excellent choice for back-end web development for all of these reasons. Number 9. Perl. Perl, which stands for Practical Extraction and Reporting Language, is a versatile programming language that was originally created for text manipulation but is now extensively used for system administration, network programming, web development, GUI design, and a variety of other tasks. Perl is syntactically close to C and is simple to learn for those who are already familiar with C and C++. Perl is a useful programming language for web development since it can handle encrypted web data and has good text handling features. Number 10. Scala. Scala is a scalable language that belongs to the Java family. It combines Java's advantages with some new enhancements that serve to mitigate some of Java's drawbacks. It is simple to learn and is regarded as one of the greatest online application languages due to its high scalability. This is our list of the 10 back-end programming languages for web developers in 2022. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from us again, please subscribe for more informative videos and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching.